Hi everybody, Jai here from JMACX Off-Road Solutions. As you just seen, we've rolled the boys from Just Auto's 300 series straight onto the hoist. Now, the exciting part about that is that we're actually here today to fit our JMACX Alpha Series suspension. Now, as you know, those guys are manufactured here by us and in Australia, but the most important part about that is obviously our GVM is in the process of going through its final stages, but the best part about the Alpha series is that we can actually take those suspension and put them into our GVM, which means that they're compliant and can be signed off. So I guess for that means that the customer at a later date, he can do the suspension now, and then at a later date, he can go through and do the GVM. So stick around as we go through, and can't wait to see the finished product. As you can see, we're halfway through the 300 series here. Danny's just on the other side, pretty much tightening up the loose ends. But we thought we'd give you a bit of a rundown on what actually is going into this suspension package. So as you can see behind me, we've got the JMACX Alpha 2.5 remote reservoir shocks. Now the boys have opted out for the manual adjustments. The electric variant will be available for the GVM, but we also do things like the adjustable rear panel. We do your coils in the rear, and then we do your lower control arms. As we move to the front of the car then as well, basically in the front we do our front strut assembly in our Alphas, obviously our remote reservoir adjuster with our nice little brackets that keep that tucked up so it's out of the way. But basically all that's left now is Danny will go through, tidy up everything, throw the wheels back on, and no doubt we'll see the boys back in a couple of months when our GVM is ready to go.